Jessie here. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a super quick tidy up with me. It's New Year's Eve when I'm filming this at about 11 a.m., just before 11 a.m. and I have plans to go out later to a friend's house to celebrate the new year. Right now my focus is to tidy up my house so that I can start out the new year with a clean house. It's really not that bad right now, actually. This will probably only take me a half an hour at the most. Real quick tidy up, but I want to show you the main areas of my house, show you what we're going to be doing today, and then I'm going to get to work. So my living room is pretty much done. I have our area rug picked up because I want to vacuum really well and use the steam mop on the floors, but other than that, it's not too bad. There's a little bit of clutter. I gotta fold some blankets, or relocate some blankets. They're already folded. Dust a little tiny bit, organize a few things, but it's really not bad at all. My kitchen, the same thing. There's some stuff out that I need to take care of. I gotta take the trash out. It's a little bit of a mess going on in here, but really it's not too terrible. I'm just going to empty and load the dishwasher, hand wash a few dishes, wipe down the counters, again, sweep and mop in here, and that's pretty much going to do it. So it's really not going to take too long at all. I'm usually not the type that likes to do these videos where I clean an already clean house. And I mean, obviously it's not, but this is definitely less of a mess than I usually show here on my channel. But if you guys are interested in seeing me clean this mess up, then just keep on watching. you guys, so overall, it's much better in here. Not perfect, but it's all tidied up. Got everything done that I wanted to do. I just need to unplug the steam mop and get it put away, but everything has been mopped and dusted, tidied up a little bit. I gotta put some dishes away, but other than that, I'm pleased. I get to start the year out with a tidied up house, and that was the point. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe so that you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye! Happy New Year!